Yeah, this is our time. This is our time. This is 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock sharp. Understand this 8 o'clock sharp. This 8 o'clock sharp. Then what exactly are we doing? What exactly are we going to do? What exactly are we going to do? We are going to check XAUSD, we are going to check GBP and we are going to check Euro USD. You understand? On our screen here, this is the NZD JPY that we analyzed yesterday. This is the NZD JPY that we analyzed yesterday. I told you guys that the market will move from this particular resistance level to this particular support level. Then before we see a push to the upside, and what exactly do you see? This is the markets come down and pick us from this particular area, you understand, just as I predict it, you understand, and it's going directly in our favor. It's like before, I don't normally used to like set a buy limit or sell limit, but it's like the way this thing is going now, I'll start the sell buy limit or sell limit now, because the way the market is playing out, if I predict it, it will just do exactly what I predict and it will go in our favor. Can you imagine? It even give a bullish engulfing candle for this particular area when it's forming a W pattern from the support level that I mark. You understand? I do this particular analysis for our brother UD yesterday. Then what? So we'll look for an opportunity, and if there is no opportunity, we'll be waiting for an opportunity today to present itself. You understand? We'll be waiting for an opportunity to present itself. Then we'll enter trade, because I promise that we are going to take a trade together, and I pray markets give exactly what I want. You understand? Before, so that we'll take the trade together, so that you guys will see how my strategy work. You understand? So before then, let me just go and check XAUSD. Let me see how XAUSD is behaving. After we check that XAUSD, then I'll check GBP and Euro USD. Then drop your favorite pair. Let's check it as well. Drop your favorite pair. Let's check it also. Mm. So drop your favorite pair. Let's check it also, so that we'll see the one that will go in for a buy or a sell on. You understand? Because right now, like this, I come on this particular live section during this London section. You understand? This is 8 o'clock. From 8 to 9, that is when London section will be open. You understand? Then let's prepare ourselves for this particular London section. You understand? So this is a prediction that I give yesterday night. You understand? This is a prediction that I give yesterday. I said the market will move from this particular resistance level. You understand? And when the market tap on this particular inner support level, it will move all the way to this particular fair value gap. But in the night, the market tap on that particular support level. There is no any drawdown at all, and it started going to the upside. But regardless, nothing spoil. You understand? I did being we are on our screen. You understand? I did being we are on our charts. Then let me see. This particular thing form around, I think, around 5 o'clock. You understand? Around 5 a.m. this morning. This particular bullish engulfing candle form around 5 a.m. this morning. You understand? But by then, nobody will be on the charts. You understand? But this particular inner support level have been broken. This inner support level have been broken. So all we need to do now is, the market have gone already. You understand? The market have gone far. So there is no way to pursue the market. Let me go to XAUSD real quick. Let me go to XAUSD real quick. Let's see if there is any opportunity on XAUSD. Omo. Oh my God. See this buy limit that I don't used to set, like this buy limit that I don't used to set, it's like I've seen a reason to be setting this buy limit now. You understand? Because we learn every day. You understand? We learn every day. The market is around this particular area, and I say the market will come to this particular trend line, of which is on this particular inner support level, then we'll see it move from this particular area down to this particular resistance level. But regardless, I know how gold move. There will still be a spike to the downside, you understand? Then we'll see a confirmed bullish engulfing candle. Maybe let me just go to oh my goodness. So all the analysis that I do yesterday night, all of them played out clean and clear. All of them played out clean and clear. What is this? What is this, for God's sake? What is this? What is this? What is this? And I'd not even set a buy limit to. I've not set a buy limit on not any of them. NZD JPY abi NZD USD played out. XAUSD played out. You understand? And I've not set a buy limit. I just do that analysis keep that today, maybe before the market will play out, today will be on that is the reason, that's the most reason why I come on this particular live session real quick, you understand? So that we'll take the trade together and you guys will see how the strategy works, you understand? But regardless, I know how it works. There must be a spike to the downside before the market will take the right move to the upside. So let's be patient and see how the market is going to be. You understand? We are still going to be patient and see how the market is going to be. There might be like a spike to the downside to this particular support level again. You understand? Try to sweep out people that will buy from this particular area and this particular area. You understand? Try to sweep them out. Then we'll look for our opportunity there. Like we will look for opportunity there so that we'll enter the trade for a buy. You understand? Because that yesterday candlestick, let me see the way that yesterday candlestick close. Yesterday candlestick closed very, very bullish, and oh my goodness, this is the setup. This is where I say the market will tap on. And this particular thing happened before London section today. I mark this particular place out, this support level out, that the market will tap on this particular support level before we see another push to the upside. You understand? That's how I analyze it. That's how I analyze it. And I say anything that will push the market below this particular support level, the market will go below and will target the next support level. You understand? And if you go to the lower time frame, the market have played out already. The market have tapped on that particular support level and it's pushing to the upside. But regardless, time never good. Like there is still time, you understand, for us to like wait for the market to give us our entry signal before we go in. Because me like this, I don't pursue the market. But only thing I'm going to do now is like if I analyze any particular pair, I'm going to set a buy limit, you understand? I'm going to set a buy or a sell limit because I've seen it that the market will like, had it been I enter this particular trade, you understand? No how it could have generate at least 1 to 1 this morning. Like I'll just wake up to 1 to 1, you understand? And for say I'm risking something very, very tangible, you understand? 1 to 1 will like maybe at least do something, you understand, this morning. So I'm going to be setting this thing, buy limit and sell limit now like this. So let me see if you're active. Let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction from you if you're active. Let me see a reaction from you if you're active. Let me see a reaction from you if you're active. Just drop a comment, drop a comment, drop a comment. Drop your favorite pair on the comment section so that we'll check. Maybe there will be an opportunity on that particular place. You understand? So my own favorite pair is GBUSD, XAUSD, and EURUSD. You understand? That's my own favorite pair. But XAUSD, we are still waiting for an opportunity on XAUSD, but I've not checked JPUSD. Let me go to JPUSD while I'll be waiting for your own favorite pair. While I'll be waiting for your own favorite pair, let me go to GPUSD real quick. Let me go to GPUSD. Okay. I'm expecting the market to like go to this particular fair value gap before we set to the downside, and the market is still consolidating. I don't know why, but let's still wait. Let's still wait. This London section, I don't know, but let's see how before 9 o'clock. Let's see what will happen. Let me check Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD. Euro USD play out clean and clear yesterday. You understand? But I'm still expecting the market to like maybe make a double top here before we see a spike to the downside, or before the market will break above this particular resistance level, then retest it. Then if it give us a signal, then we'll enter for a buy. But the way the market is behaving, I don't know if you guys are seeing it. I don't know if you guys are seeing how the market is behaving. The way the market is going, there is no any opportunity yet presently now like this. There is no any opportunity. Let me check if I'll see this curving this thing. Let's see if I'll see this curving. What exactly? What exactly? Okay, this is it. Is it? Okay, okay. Okay, let me delete it and carry it again. And delete and carry it again. Then where is it? Where is it? Okay, this is it. I'll carry it again. Then how am I going to do it? Okay. Now I know how to do it now. Now I know how to do it now. Now I know how to do it now. Let me do it like this. Okay. It will be from upside. It will be from upside. Then something like this. Then I'll draw it down. You understand? Just like this. I'll draw it down. So the market might like at least try to reach this particular fair value gap, you understand, then before we see a spike to the downside, you understand. So let's see what the market will do. Let's see what the market will do. Maybe the market will come to this particular area, then we'll see a spike to the downside. But let me see how yesterday candlestick close. Let me see how yesterday candlestick close. Yesterday candlestick closed bearish but hammer. Like this festive season market, there's no way you can predict it. Never. Okay, see this hammer with a long wick. You understand? Day before yesterday, then see another hammer still yesterday from the downside with a long wick. Okay, now this is just a confusion. You understand? You don't know where the market is falling to now like this, because this is a bearish hammer. This is another bearish hammer. You don't know where the market will fall to. Either the market is going to like take out all this particular high, you understand, to the upside and close bullish, nobody knows. Either it's coming down to create another bearish engulfing bearish candle, nobody know. But regardless, I'm going to 4 hour time frame now. Let me do an analysis, you understand. I'm going to 4 hour time frame now and see how the market is behaving. Okay, if the market raises particular area, this is like a head and shoulder, but there is no any bullish engulfing candle. But we'll be waiting for an opportunity. That's just it. Let me see if there is any chart. Okay, there is no any comment from you guys yet. There is no any comment. There is no any comment. There is no any comment. But nevertheless, we'll still continue regardless. We'll still continue regardless. So let me check. I've checked JPUSD already. I've checked. I think I've checked JPUSD. I've checked JPUSD. Let me see. I've checked JPUSD. Mm-hmm. On the lower time frame, this is what is happening. Exactly what's happening on the lower time frame. The market is on this particular support level, right? The market, like, let me see. The market is on this particular support level. The market is on this particular support level. Okay. Then what exactly are we going to do? What exactly? There is no any opportunity. There's no any opportunity, no matter how the market go, and I've not seen my confirm opportunity. There is no way I'm going to enter that particular trade. No, you understand? That is just me. So I'll be waiting for the market to like give me a clean opportunity. You understand? Give me a clean opportunity. If there is no opportunity during this London session, I'll be on this particular live stream till maybe ar- around maybe 10. You understand? Waiting for an opportunity to present itself. You understand? Then once an opportunity presents itself, then we'll just enter for a sale. You guys are going to see how my strategy work. Let it not be as if I always preach about that particular strategy and I do not use it. No, not like that. That's the reason why I come on this particular live section this morning during this London section so that you guys will see how it work. You understand? So that you guys will see how it work. So let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how it's going to be. So let me take XAUSD. So XAUSD is my main target now like this. XAUSD is my main target. Let me check. XAUSD is my main target. I'm going to like delete all this drawing now like this. Delete all this drawing. XAUSD is my main target. It's moving from this particular resistance level. You understand? It's moving from this particular resistance level. So if I have any opportunity for us for sale, let me see what's happening. Good morning, my brother. Good morning. You are highly welcome. I see you. Good in. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. I see you. You are highly welcome. So we are waiting for an opportunity. You understand? Just as you say we will enter GU, right? No, not yet. Oh. Not yet. There is no any opportunity yet. Please and please, there is no any opportunity yet. Let me see if I see it set any buy or sell limit. All those particular buy or sell, share you are on our live section yesterday. This is where we'll be like looking for a sell. You understand? This is where we'll be like looking for a sell. This particular fair value gap, that's where we'll be looking for sell opportunity. You understand? So not yet, please. Not yet. Where the market is, there is no any opportunity. Like there is no any opportunity. Like the market is on a support level actually, but there is no any signal for buy. You understand? The market might go up from here, but there is no any signal for buy. To me, there is no any signal. My signal have not yet played out. So there is nothing like a buy or a sell yet. We are waiting for the market to come to this particular resistance level, which is this particular fair value gap. You understand? Before we like go in for a sell. You get that's exactly what we are waiting for. That's exactly what we are waiting for. So there is no any signal yet. Once there is signal, I'll be like talking about it. Like I'll talk more about it. First, just you're welcome. Hello, chat. Good morning. Oh, good morning. You're welcome. You are welcome. So there is no any signal yet at all. There is no any signal yet. I'm just seeing how the market is moving. Then let's see where we'll position for a sell or a buy. You understand? And you guys know how we'll do it. We don't enter any market because the market is on our point of view. We enter because the market give our signal. You understand? And you guys know what I used to confirm my entry. Bearish engulfing candle, 15-minute bearish engulfing candle. That's what I used to confirm my entry. You understand? So if not until we see that, there is no way we are going to enter any trade. Okay, and First, I think you are on our live section during New Year section yesterday. Mm, when we are like looking out for a sale on XAUSD and the market went to that particular area and would not take action because there is no uh, signal, you understand, there is no candlestick selling signal, you understand. So we will just leave that particular trade, and God so kind will leave it, you understand, because the market went all the way to went above that particular 4 hour time frame bearish engulfing candle, you understand. So there is no any opportunity. Yes, once there is opportunity, I'll tell you guys, like this particular week I'll make a lot of money, I'll make a lot of profits, you understand. Why? Because I can be able and to wait for my strategy to play out, you understand. If you cannot be able to wait for your strategy to play out, that is where you'll be chopping SL, like your SL will be hitting back to back. But if you can be able to wait for your strategy, to wait for your candlestick formation to form before you like enter your trade, there's no way you'll be hitting XL. You understand? That's just the plain truth. That is just the plain truth. So I'm looking out for a sell when the market come to this particular area, or if the market break below this particular support level and come to this particular inner support level, we'll be waiting, like we'll be looking off for a buy, you understand, from this particular inner support level. You get? I don't want all this drawing. I don't want the drawing is much. So let me delete all of them. Once the markets come to the right area, I know exactly what to do. So let me delete all this drawing. Let me delete all this drawing. Immediately if the market come to the right place, I know what to do. So I'll delete all this drawing so that it won't like look confused to you guys. Although me that draw it, I know exactly why I draw it, but it will look confused to you guys. So let's keep it very simple and easy for everybody to understand. That's exactly what I want. Keep it very, very simple and easy. NAS 100. Okay, let's check NAS 100. Let's check NAS 100. But my target is on XAUSD. My target is on gold. So my target is on gold. Let me check gold before we go down NAS 100. My target is on gold. My target is on gold. This particular gold. I don't know. And I'm not going to take any unnecessary trade. Nah. I'm not going to take any unnecessary trade. You understand? Because I'm not going to take any unnecessary trade. I'll go to that as 100 just real quick. You understand? But just give me time. I'm not going to take any unnecessary trade or just I cannot make unnecessary trade. Never. Yes, sir. Never. I'm not going to take any unnecessary trade. So I don't know, Sha. Let me know. Just let me check that NAS face. Let me check NAS. If there is opportunity on NAS 100, let me check. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Omo, I dey predict. I don't know if I should be like any particular pair that I predict I should just enter for buy immediately or sell immediately. Let me not just be predicting it and keep. Let me check if there is an opportunity here. Let me check if there is an opportunity. The market have break above this particular resistance level, but there is another minor resistance level here. But let me check how yesterday candlestick close. Yesterday candlestick still close bearish. Can you imagine? Omo, if like I don't know if I analyze this particular pair, I should just enter. You understand? Put my buy limit or just enter immediately. You understand? Can you imagine? Today candlestick, we are expecting today candlestick to close bearish also. You understand? But before then, let me go to 4 hour time frame and see where support and resistance level is. You understand? We are still expecting today candlestick to close bearish. There's one support level here, which is the market will go above this particular area. You understand? To fill this particular fair value gap. The market might move from here to fill this particular fair value gap a bit, you understand, before we see a break to the downside. You understand? But I'm not going to do against the trend, you understand, because the market is going to the downside, massively going to the downside. So I'm not going to do against the trend. If not, I will say we should enter for a buy. You understand? But I'm not going to do against the trend. As you can see, the market is going to the downside with massive candles, a bearish candlestick. You understand? And there's no anywhere. The market is at like the market is at the middle of nowhere, you understand? So you don't know the next direction of the market. And if the market is on a resistance level or a support level, then we would like say let's look for an opportunity for a buy or a sell. But presently now the market is going down. I don't know if you are the one that asked for this particular NAS analysis that day. Festus. This particular NAS 100, please, please, no problem. This particular NAS 100 is not among my favorite pair. My favorite pair is just three, you understand? But I analyze every pair for my viewers because my favorite pair might not be your own favorite pair. So I analyze all the pairs, you understand? Anyone that you say that I should analyze, I analyze it for you. That's just how I do it. You understand? That's just how I do it. So let's see. The market will still break to the downside because you see how yesterday candle still close. It closed bearish candle. You understand? It closed bearish. So we'll still expect today candle still to close, but it will go up a bit. You understand? Before it will close, it will like break to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what I'm seeing on last 100. Last 100 will still go down to it will still go down. You understand? That's exactly what I'm seeing. Now 100 will still go down, but it will go up a bit to like refill some fair value gap before it will go to the downside. You understand? So you have to be very patient and wait for your strategy to play out. It's still going down. It's still going down. That's exactly what I'm saying. It's still going down. NAS is still going down. NAS is still going down regardless of what you are seeing from here. Let me see. Regardless of what you are seeing, NAS is still going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Regardless of what you are seeing, NAS is still going down. You understand? Regardless of what you are seeing, NAS is still going down. So let's see. Except if this particular candlestick take an aggressive move and close above this, but I don't think it can be able, you understand, to close engulf this particular area because the market is at nowhere, you understand. It has not reached any support level and is at the middle of nowhere. So all you should be waiting for is wait for the market to like come to this particular support level before you look out for a buy. That is the only thing I'll tell you. That's the only thing I'll tell you. So keep our eyes on gold. Let's keep our eyes on gold. Gold closed bullish yesterday. I'll expect okay. So like we are going to like take our first trade from gold now like this. We are going to take our first trade on gold. I don't know if this will be a setup, but let this be our first trade for the day. You understand? Let this be our first trade for the day. Mm. We are going to take a buy. We are going to take a buy on good. Okay, we are going to like take our first trade on good. You understand? I don't know if we are going to take our first trade on. Oh my God, it has moved already. E don dey move oh. E don dey move, e don dey move. Gold don move already. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. We are going to take our first trade on gold, but please manage your risk very, very well. Manage your risk very, very well. I've entered for a sale. You understand? I've entered for a sale on gold. I've entered for a sale on gold. A sale abi a buy. I've entered for a buy on gold. I've entered for a buy on gold. Let me set my stop loss. Stop loss will be below the engulfing candle. Why this particular thing is stop loss will be above below the engulfing candle. Stop loss will be below the engulfing candle. Then we'll target 1 to 2. Mine will be like that kind 40 to $50. Okay, 42. I've entered, I've entered, I've entered. You understand? So a buy on gold, a buy on gold, a buy on gold, a buy on gold. You understand? Please take your buy. And it has moved. This is the only problem I have giving signal. You understand? This is the only problem that I have giving signal. Because before you say buy, the market have moved already. Before you say buy, the market have moved already. And that is my only problem giving signal. That's my only problem giving signal. But still, regardless, if you have not entered it, it still look very okay for you to enter. You understand? It still look very okay for you to enter. I don't know why. Okay, I don't have data on this particular phone. This is the reason. So let me tell you guys the reason why I say we should buy on gold. Because I do this analysis since yesterday, and what are you seeing? The market close and engulf this particular red candle. You understand? This is exactly what I keep preaching about. You understand? This is 1 to 2. If the market can be able to give us 1 to 2, then we'll be okay for today. We'll be okay for now. You understand? Then we'll look for another opportunity. You understand? Just as I tell you guys, I took my trade twice a day. You understand? If this thing will not be a setup, then let's see how it's going to be. You understand? Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. But this is the setup, that this is the candlestick that I always use to take my trade. And moreover, the market is on this particular inner support level. It's moving from this particular inner support level. For my mind, I think the market will break to the downside first to maybe tap on this particular support level before it will give this particular kind of candlestick. But it has already given the candlestick. So all we need to do now is to just follow the market to the upside. You understand? I just pray so that you can be able to manage your risk. I pray so that you can be able to manage your risk. I pray so that you can be able to manage your risk. That's the only prayer. That's my only prayer. That's my only prayer, so that you can be able to manage risk. That's my only prayer. I've entered already. You understand? I've entered for long safe. I've entered for long. I've entered for long. Just that if I shake my phone, then if I shake my phone, it will like, let me see if I can get data here, because I don't know. So that I'll be showing you guys my own trade here from this particular phone. Hope I have an MT5 here. I don't think I have an MT5 here. But regardless, let me check. Let me check. So we have getting one entry on gold, you understand? We have getting one entry on gold. Let's see how it's going to be. But please manage your risk. The market is unpredictable. You understand? The market is unpredictable. Manage your risk very, very well, please. Manage your risk very, very well, please. Manage your risk very, very well, please. If you are trading this, if you are taking this trade with me, please manage your risk very, very well. You understand? Let's see how it's going to play out. Manage your risk very, very well. You understand? Please. That is the number one favor you do me. You do for me. I'll check USDJPY, but I'm coming first. Manage your risk on this particular trade. Manage your risk on this particular trade very, very well, please. And your stop loss will be below this particular candlestick. Yes, and your stop loss will be below this particular bullish engulfing candle. Mhm. So let's see how it's going to play out. 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 I just pray let it not be a setup. Let it not be a setup. But even if it's a setup, we know what we are risking. That's just all. And so we cannot risk what will give us high blood pressure. Please don't risk anything that will break your day. You understand? Don't risk anything that will spoil your day, please. Don't say it's because of VFX that I lose my account. Please, I don't want to hear that. Oh. I don't want to hear that. Oh. Please, 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 please. Mm. Please. Okay, let me, since this one is running, let's check JPUSD and USDJPY for our brother Festus. I don't know if you are still active, Festus. I don't know if you are still active. If you are active, let me see a reaction, please. Then we'll do that analysis real quick. Because I don't know if you are on a trade on that particular pair. I don't know if you are on a trade on that particular pair. So let's check. Let's check it. If you're active, just let me know you're active so that we'll do the analysis on that particular USDJPY. First, to see if you're active, just let me know you're active. If you're active, just let me know you're active so that we'll do analysis on that particular pair. If you are active, just let me know you're active so that we'll do the analysis. Please, risk management is highly required, man. Risk management is highly required, please. Risk management is highly required. Please, risk management is highly required. Please, you need to take your risk management very, very serious. You need to take your risk management very, very serious, because that's the only thing that will keep you going. You understand? In the game, that's the only thing that will keep you going. Risk management is very, very highly required, please. And we are targeting just 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is what we are targeting. Where we enter the trade from? Say, okay, this is where we enter. Let me see. Let me see. Why am I shaking this safe? Why is it shaking? This is where we enter. Okay, then this is exactly what I'm trying to do so that everybody will see it very clear. Yes, so risk management is very, very required, is very, very advisable, please. Mm. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Festus, I don't know if you're active, but if you're active, just let me know so that I will do that analysis real quick. See, just as I always tell you guys, once I see my bullish engulfing candle from my point of view, from my point of interest, I don't mind though. And I think I always say this particular thing on my live section almost every day. You understand? Once I see this type of candlestick, I don't mind what the market, the outcome of the trade. I don't mind what the outcome of the trade will be. You understand? I don't mind. I don't mind what the outcome of the trade will be. I know good like to sweep liquidity, but once I see this particular candlestick, that's just all. You understand? That's just all. That is just all. You understand? That's just all. Means if good like let it take the whole of my account. I don't mind. You understand? But I know what exactly I'm risking. So Festus, if you're active, just let me know so that I will do that analysis on USDJPY. But now like this, we are on a trade on XAUSD. We are on a trade on XAUSD. I don't know if you guys take the trade, but me personally, gone, I take the trade. Okay, I'm here, bro. All right. Let me check that USDJPY. Let me check USDJPY real quick. Once I see this particular candlestick, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind what will be the outcome. Immediately, if I see this candlestick, I don't mind what will be the outcome of the trade. Regardless, I'll just enter. Regardless, I'll just enter. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but once you enter your trade, the only thing that will happen, one thing will happen out of two. If you don't have that mindset, means trading is not for you. Find another thing that you will do. And once you enter trade, one thing will happen out of two. Is either it end in SL, will stop you out, or you go to your take profit. That is it. One thing will happen out of two. Immediately if you enter your trade, once you press buy or sell, one thing will happen out of two. Proper risk management is very, very important. Very, very important, my brother. Very, very, very highly important. Highly, highly important. Highly, highly important. So please take your risk management very, very serious. Because if you don't manage your risk very well, and you lose your account today, tomorrow you no see any account to trade with. That is just the bitter truth. That's just the bitter truth. So let's see how this particular trade will play out. Let's see how this particular trade will play out. USD JPY. Okay, let me check USD. You said USD JPY. Oh, 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 oh. USD JPY is giving a sign of moving to the downside, but it's not my candlestick. It's giving a sign of moving to the downside. But let me go to daily time frame first. Let me go to daily time frame first. It's giving a sign of moving to the downside a bit, you understand? It's giving a sign, and it's moving up, it will move up, it will move up, it will move up. This is the reason why it's trying to move to the downside. You understand? This is the reason why it's trying to move to the downside. You understand? Let me go to that 15-minute time frame back. Then on the 15-minute time frame, the market is on one particular minor resistance level. So you might be like all you need to do is your target today is buy, you understand? So just wait for the market to like retrace maybe to this particular support level or this particular support level, you understand? Maybe somewhere around here, you understand, before you enter for a buy. Maybe somewhere around here, somewhere around here, so that you wait, then you look for your entry. You understand? Now like this, the market is on one minor resistance level, but the market, the overall direction is an uptrend, but the market is on one minor resistance level. So you just wait for the market to like maybe come to this particular support level or this particular support level before you enter for a buy. You understand? This is exactly what you look for. You understand? This is exactly what you look out for. So wait for the market to come to this particular support level or this particular support level. There's two minor support level that I will be waiting for the market to come to first before you do anything. You understand? Either this particular support level or this particular support level. But my eye is on this particular support level. You understand? My eye is on this particular support level first. So let's see how our XAUSD trade is going to be. Let's see how our XAUSD trade is going to be. Let me try to log in on this particular phone. I've entered already. Once I enter, that's just it. Once I enter, that's just it. Immediately I come on this particular chart, I see it's look as if it's going to the downside. But this is where it's coming to. Either this particular support level or this particular support level before you see a spike to the upside, because that yesterday candlestick closed very healthy, you understand, to the upside. So we'll be expecting today candlestick to close engulf also. So I don't know if you understand. Festus, I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you understand. SLTP or break even. SLTP or break even. On which pair? On which pair? On which pair? Golden. On which pair? They they are they are they they there are three possibilities. Yeah, there are three. Okay, there are three possibilities. Yes, yes, yes. That's just it. There are three possibilities. Is either once you enter a trade, is either the trade hit your SL straight. Okay, thank God you understand. Is either the trade hit your SL straight, or it go to your take profits, or maybe the market go in your favor a bit and you put it on break even. So once you put it on break even, it will either hit your take profit or come down and hit your break even. If you set your stop loss and your take profit, it will either go to your stop loss and hit you out, or go to your take profit and hit your take profit. One out of two, you understand? One out of two. Because the reason why I say one out of two is because, first of all, before you even set a break even, before you set your BE, the market will go in your favor a bit, you understand? But if the market not go in your favor, if the market go in your favor and you put it on break even, it will still be one out of two, break even or take profit. And if you not set if the market not go in your favor before you set, for you to set break even, then it will still be one out of two, sell or take profit. You understand? That's exactly how the markets work. So you need to like be very very conscious of how much you risk per trade. You understand? Be very very see like know exactly how much you risk per trade. You understand? That's just the thing. Know exactly how much you risk per trade. Let's check. It's still on a drawdown. 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 So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. It's still on a drawdown, but I'm not scared. 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 Let me check. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. It's still on a drawdown, but I'm not scared. It's still on a drawdown, but I'm not scared. That's no, no, not at all. I'm not scared, man. I'm not scared. It's still on a drawdown, but I'm not scared. Let's see how it's gonna be, man. You let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. It's still on a drawdown, but I'm not scared because I know exactly what I'm risking, and I hope you guys know exactly what you guys are risking too. Because you guys should just see this is my candlestick confirmation. This is the candlestick that I always use to take my trade. Bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? But I'll not say this particular thing until this particular there's something that I'm supposed to say, but I'm not going to say it until this particular trade played out, either SL or TP. You understand? I'm not going to say that now until this particular trade played out, either TP or SL. You understand? Before I'll say that particular thing that is in my mind. You understand? Before I'll say that particular thing that is in my mind. So let's see. Let's see how it's going to be. All right, all right, all right, all right. You understand? That's very great. You omo, having plenty gadgets is very, very good though. You understand? Having plenty gadgets is very, very good. Imagine if the phone I'm using to connect with my laptop is different from the phone that I'm taking my trade from. Mm. Just imagine how it will be. Imagine how it will be. Let me try and see what will happen. Let me see. That's it, bro. Mm, that's it. That's it. That's it. What again? What again? What again? What again? What again? What again, man? What again? What again? Pele FX. Okay, is XAUSD. 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 Let me write it on the screen. XAUSD. Is XAUSD. Let me write it on the screen. XAU underscore. Abi. Omo, so this trade hit SL. um This is my first, like I don't know why anytime I come on live video to take trade with you guys, I dey always hit SL. Bro, I thought you are trading support and resistance level. Yeah, that's what I trade. Yes, and that's what I trade. But I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my entry. You understand? I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my entry. Just got tap in on Euro USD. Just got tap in on Euro USD. Just got tap in on Euro USD. How much I lose on this trade? Lost. I thought I raised $40. Where is it? $38.8. I've lost $38.8 on this particular trade now like this. This is my first loss for this particular week. My first loss for this week. You guys are going to see my history. See, I take trade during London section. It hit me out. A clean bullish engulfing candle hit me out. A clean bullish engulfing candle, like a healthy bullish engulfing candle hit me out. You understand? A healthy bullish engulfing candle hit me out. Let me tell you, let me show you guys something. There's something I want to show you guys on this particular trade. Not that I'm complaining, no, I'm not complaining, not at all. You understand? But let me show you guys something on this particular trade. Show you guys see that this particular candlestick closed bullish yesterday. You understand? Okay, then if I can be able to like reverse everything back, I set a buy limit on this particular area yesterday and it peak. You understand? It peak and went all the way to this particular area. You understand? Then I see that the market reverse back down and give this particular bullish engulfing candle. Okay, giving bullish engulfing candle while you have already like come to a support level. You understand? Come to this particular support level. Let me show you guys. This is the support level where the market moved from. Oh my god, it's not paining me. But I don't know why anytime I try to like take a trade with you guys, this thing always happen. Wait. Does it like it really like this thing want to like stop me from coming live to take training or what exactly? Me as I dey like this, nothing disturb me. Nothing disturb, nothing on earth disturb me. Nothing. But that's good. Doesn't look like a good support level. I did not say this thing since, but don't worry, I get my own trading strategy now. You understand? I get my own trading strategy. The market first tap on the support level. You understand? I marked that particular support level since yesterday. It tap on that particular support level, go up, then as it's coming down, it come to a minor support level. Let me show you. It come to this particular minor support level. This is the major support level that the market tap into. You understand that it peaked us yesterday. You understand that yesterday's buy limit that I set. So As e move from this particular area, there is a way I analyze my own chart. Okay, as e move from this particular support level, it come down a bit, you understand, to this area, you understand, then move up again, you understand. So e reverse back again. This will be the second touch, you understand, on this particular support level, on this particular inner support level, then give a healthy bullish engulfing candle. Not that the market will just come to a support level, then I will just enter. No, I don't enter my trade like that. It give, I must see a bullish, healthy bullish engulfing candle before I enter my trade. And what exactly are you seeing? Like anytime all the trade I've been taking this week, let me go to my, I don't know if I shake, if I touch this phone is going to shake. You understand? I don't know if I touch this phone, net is going to shake and it will be disturbing the network. But all the trade I've been taking this week is this particular strategy. You understand? It's this particular strategy. So I don't know why. See, at first when that time that I say let me start taking trade with you guys live, the two trade that I take on live hit SL. I stopped taking trade on live. And since then that I stopped taking trade on live, I keep hitting take profit, take profit, take profit. I keep making money from the market. You understand? Okay, now today I said to let me this week has been very, very nice. You understand? This week, even no matter how much I lose, you understand, I must end this particular week in profit because already I've made the profit I was supposed to make this particular week. Understand? Then see a healthy bullish engulfing candle, you understand, and the market come all the way to this particular place and hit me out before it's giving a long week. I know how gold behave, but this particular one nothing dey stop me, I swear to God, nothing. And only thing that I can be proud of myself is I know how to manage risk. And that is what I want you guys to know. You understand? You suppose know how to manage your risk so that even if you chop 20 SL, you still come back strong. You understand? You still come back. See, tell me how market will come below this particular type of healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Tell me how market will come to this particular, like come all the way. Oh my God, nothing dey stop me, that's just the thing. Nothing dey stop me, nothing at all, man. Nothing. I'll pass that level that e lost to stop me from coming to live stream, you understand. I don pass that level tey. I just got tap in on Euro USD. Let me see. I just got I've chopped my first SL, you understand. That one just did jejely. And I've not reached, this is just $38.8 minus $38.8 today. Today is what? Today is Thursday, right? Today is Thursday. A healthy bullish engulfing candle from a support level. From a support level and good. I don't know why anytime I say let me come on live stream to take a trade with you guys, this thing always happen. But I don't mind. I don't mind. Because you guys, only thing that I want you guys to know, and I keep preaching about risk management, you understand? So please and please, not because of this person is giving a signal, then you take then you risk all your account, please. You understand? That's number one thing you need to know. You understand? That's number one thing you need to know. Let me check Euro USD. Just as you say that you tap in on Euro USD. Tap in on Euro USD how? Okay, for a say, right? I don't know. What you mean by a tap in on Euro USD? I took a buy on Euro USD is different from my tap in on Euro USD. Yep, yep, yep. Whenever this particular thing from the market always set to the downside, right? Mm-hmm. Day before yesterday, like so. But what happened that day before yesterday? Mm, Adibina come on live stream to take that particular trade that generate almost how many dollars for me? Then it will be on SL. Mm? No now, no now, no now, no now, no now. Jeffrey dey chop SL on live stream, bro. So no taking, bro. So my brother, I know that nothing dey nothing dey stop me oo. Thank you so much sef. Thank you for your understanding. Nothing dey shake, I swear to God, man, nothing dey shake me anymore. Ah, nothing, nothing. Because I know I have a track record. You understand? I have a track record. Dat one just dey, and this is my strategy. You understand? This is my strategy and it's been working. But okay, then if I say let me just come and take that particular trade, let me show you guys how it work, then it will just hit SL. Dat time I took that particular, I go on, I come on live during this thing London session. By then I'm in the shop. You know, school have closed, my brother is in the shop now, so I'm in the studio now taking this particular trade. I'm in the shop, I took a trade with you guys on the live stream, you understand? But e hit SL. Another day again, I took a trade on live stream, e hit SL. Okay, the day that I choose not to take a trade on live stream, e hit take profit. Okay, today again, all this week is been profit, profit, profit. Now today I have come to live stream now, see my setup, take a trade, hit SL. What is really happening, my brother? Okay, and if I analyze trade, if I analyze the chart very, very well, if I analyze the chart, it will play according to how I analyze it. But okay, if my strategy played out and I say, okay, let's take this trade together, it will hit SL. What is really happening? What is really happening? I don't know. But it's not going to stop me. That one just T. Even if I chop SL, you understand? Even if I chop 20 straight SL, it's not going to stop me anymore. Because I've seen it. You understand? I've seen it. It's as if I've seen it. No, 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 no. I like something that will challenge me. You understand? Anything that will challenge me, that's exactly what I want. Anything that will challenge. This is just a challenge. This is just a pure challenge, man. This is just a pure challenge. You understand? This is just a pure challenge. This is just a pure challenge. So this thing now, this particular thing that has always happened is just a beat on my chest, like it's beating my chest that I cannot do it on the live stream. But I will tell the chat that I will do it, and I will do it times millions and billion times. You understand? On the live stream. You understand, ba? I'll do it times billion times on the live stream. I wish you better win next time, bro. Next time, bro. That's just the game. You can't avoid losses no matter what. Thank you so much, Festus. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're not like all those people that will be bashing you person because of the loss and the rest, because they don't know what trading is all about. But I trade support and supply and demand, bro. So it's very nice. It's very nice. Depends on the time kind of time frame that you are using, and I wish you all the best as well. You understand? I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. You understand? So this game like this, in this game is a game that no be child play oh, no be child play, it's not a child play, you understand, no be child play. And I don't see like, what I'm seeing is as if the challenge I'm going to do 2026, all of them will be live. Let me see how I'm going to, let me see if I'm going to lose all my money on the live stream. You understand? That particular challenge, I don't think I'm going to do it offline. No, I'm not going to do that challenge offline. No, 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 I'm not going to do that challenge offline. I'm not going to do that challenge offline. No, 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 no. I'm going to do that challenge next year online straight. Every time if I get opportunity, I'll come on live straight. That's exactly what I'll do next year. Except if I don't have chance, or if I'm on a trip, or if I'm not in the, like if I'm not around and I see this and I see a setup, that's the only when I'm going to take a trip without coming live. You understand? Because this thing is just a challenge for me, like, and I'll tell the child that I can do it. You understand? Because I know who I be. I know how many time I have dedicated to study the charts to the level that I am today. You understand? So all this thing that is happening is just a minor something. All this thing that is happening is just minor. You understand? It's just minor. Minor something. They move me. They move me. Dat one just dey. E no fit move me. Man, e no fit move me. E no fit move me. E no fit move me at all. At all, at all, at all, at all. E no fit move me. But I will still be waiting for an opportunity, because how much I have lost already. I have lost $38.8. Okay. And my max loss for a day is $100, but I'm not going to risk up to that $100. I'm not going to lose up to that $100 today. No, 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 not at all. You understand? Not at all, because this week I will end this particular week in profit. Then it will be 19 weeks straight in profit. Then next week will be up and down, up and down, up and down. That next week that will make it 20 weeks straight will be up and down. Already I've make enough profit that will, even if I had not trade this today and tomorrow, I'll end the week is ending profit secured already. So I know how I'm going to manage my risk, even if all my trade for this particular from today to tomorrow is a loss. I'm still going to end this particular week in profit. That is just one thing that I know. That is just one thing that I know. But you guys should know that this particular trade that I call is my strategy. Okay, imagine, look at it here. Look at a bullish engulfing candle here. This one is even more healthier than this. This bullish engulfing candle is more healthier than this particular one. And the market cannot even give at least 1 to 1. And the market cannot even give at least 1 to 1. I cannot blame the market too, because anything, the market is always right. Maybe there is something that is happening that I'm not seeing. You understand? I'm not blaming the market. I'm blaming myself. You understand? But the reason why I cannot blame myself totally is because loss is part of the game. You cannot be 100% accurate every time. That's just it. You cannot be 100% accurate all the time. You cannot be 100% accurate all the time. So I'll be waiting for another opportunity. You understand? I'll be waiting for another opportunity. But now like this, the market, all the chart now look somehow. You understand? All the chart looks somehow except this particular XAUSD. It's only XAUSD that I'm seeing a buy. You understand? It's only XAUSD that I'm seeing a buy opportunity from. That maybe a buy will happen on XAUSD, but I don't know how it's going to be yet. I don't know how it's going to be yet. I'm seeing a buy opportunity. I'm seeing that XAUSD will buy. You understand? But maybe where I enter from is the wrong place. Is the wrong place. So I'll still be waiting for another opportunity. I fit come live three for even 10 times today. Oh. If I see an opportunity, any trade that I want to take at all, I'll come on live video. I will come on live. Any trade at all that I want to take till New York section. You understand? Except if I not get any good opportunity. If I lose, like if I lose totally today, I'll lose. Let me lose in the presence of you guys. You understand? If I lose totally today, let me lose in the presence of you guys. That's just the thing. That is just the thing. That's just the thing. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll be waiting for another opportunity. You understand? I'll be waiting for another opportunity. That's just the thing. USDJPY, let me see USDJPY. It bounced on this particular support level. If I predict market, it will just be going the way I predict it. And if I say let me take a trade with you guys, it will just hit SL. But no problem. I'm going to like break that nonsense. I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it by fire by force. By fire by force. It should not continue like that because ah let me check my brother for sure. Let me see. See bro, you can't control the market. Market is not emotion. It's not emotional. Exactly, my brother. Solar peep. You're highly welcome, my brother. I just went to check somebody name. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Then let me see. I'm waiting for good on that demand level down below. So if I see any good buying reaction, I will take a trade there from good. Yeah, I'm still waiting for buy opportunity on good also. You understand? I'm still waiting for buy opportunity on good. I'm still waiting for buy opportunity on good because you don't first grab this particular one. You understand? So I'm still waiting for it to like come to this particular area. But if it come, if not until I still see the same candlestick, I'm not going to enter because that is what I known for. You understand? That's what I've been studying for long. You understand, ba? If not until I see this particular candlestick, let it be going. Ọkwani, fine o, nwaisa, obianu. Good morning, UD. Good morning. I don't chop one SL. No, 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 no. Good. I'll show you guys how it happened. But I'm still waiting for another opportunity. You understand? This is it here. I don't know why anytime I decide to go and take train with like live, this thing dey always happen. I don't know why. You understand? Okay, this is the candlestick that I see before I enter the trade from here. You understand? But then the reason why I enter the trade, you guys know that we do analysis yesterday. Let me go back. Then go back, go back. Easy like this something like this. No. Let me I've went so far. Let me okay, let me see. Okay, this is NAS. This is exactly what I'm looking for. When I'm analyzing this particular wahala dey oh. I'm coming. Hello Ismail. Hello. Hello. How far now? Yeah, I did at my studio. So bring am now. Bring am now. I dey around. Okay. So that yesterday that we were analyzing this particular XAUSD, I told you guys that if the market come to this particular let me if I still go back. Okay, like this. This is it here. I say since the market close bullish engulf, since the market close bullish engulf, it will come and retest one particular inner support level on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? Then we'll see. Let me delete this particular one. Let me delete this particular trend line that I marked today. Let me delete this one also. Now, if the market come to this particular inner support level, it will like move to the upside. Then in the night, the market come and tap in this particular inner support level, because that time that we're analyzing it, the market is around this particular area. So it come and tap, like the market, XAUSD come and tap on this particular inner support level and move, trying to move up. You understand? Then I go to 15-minute time frame, and that time that I even come on my chart sef, the market is around this particular area. You understand? So I see this, as I'm analyzing it, I see this particular bullish engulfing candle, and already the market have come and tap on this particular support level that I mark out yesterday. You understand? So now like this, the market tap on this support level. Ismail, okay, come now. Where you dey? Abeg come this side. Come this side. Have fun. Come inside.
Okay.
I do like video.
I was
So shoot call like this.
you dey do class, wa?
I do class.
Good.
Why you dey go on like that? Why you won't try remote? This one not remote. This one won't try remote. Now the package around you. So when I will call you.
Okay. Is it 1,000 naira
Yes. Actually, to give you 1,000.
cash?
So now the market have already give another bullish engulfing candle, and already it has stopped me out already. Like I don't chop one SL already. You understand? So now like this, what exactly am I going to do? Am I going to be scared of the market? No, you understand? I'm not going to be scared of the market, because if it stop me out again, then that will be all for today. That is just it. I'm going in now for a buy. You understand? And if you stop me out again, that will be all for today. That's just it. You understand? Because what I'm seeing is a buy on Euro XAUSD. You understand? But before then, let me check something on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, the market give this particular like this bullish candle, but not engulf. This bullish candle. Let me clean everything. This bullish candle, you understand? And what is pushing me for, like, what is pushing me to buy today is because yesterday candlestick closed bullish and e engulf all these particular ones, you understand? Then today candlestick now will close bullish, but where is it going to move from is the only problem. And you guys know the candlestick that I used to confirm my entry, you understand? Bullish engulfing candle. Okay, now like this one they have XAUSD have used this particular one to like stop grab liquidity, you understand? Then what exactly is it trying to do again? What exactly is it trying to do again? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to enter again. So now before I risk how much? Before I risk 38 point what? There's $38.8. That's what I risk on that particular first trade. Understand? But I'll not want anybody to take this trade with me. Let only me take it. Let only me take this particular cross now like this. Let only me take this particular cross now. Because I don't want to lose all my, let me see. Okay. On my phone here, the market did not close well. It did not close well and go. On my phone, the candlestick did not close well and go. So how is it going to be? I've chopped one SL. I've chopped one SL already. And if this particular trade move without tricking me, because I'm seeing a serious buy, you understand, to the upside. Let me see. I'm going to go in for a buy from here like this. I'm going in for a buy from here like this. Then my stop loss will be somewhere around here. Then I'll target 1 to 2. If this particular hit me out, then that will be all for today. If this particular trade hit me out, then that will be all for today. If it hit me out, then that will be all for today. I'm not going to risk much. I'm not going to risk much. If this particular one hit me out, then that will be all for today. That's just it. If this particular one hit me out, then that will be all for today. Then I'll just call it a day. Man, I took just 2, 3 per day. That is just me. I take just 2 setup per day. So if this particular one hit me out, then that's just it. 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 You understand? If this one hit me out, then that is just it. I'm not going to like take another. If this particular hit me out, then I'm not going to take another trade for today again. You understand? Then maybe if this one hits me out, I'm not going to take trade this week again. No. Because I would like to end this particular week in profit, and I've made the profit already. So I'll not waste it. If I was going to struggle to like come out of it, um, come out of drawdown. If this one hit me out, I'll not take it. I'll not take trade today again. Did you enter? I don't understand. I don't understand. UD, how was the night now? Ah, please, how was the night? How was the night? How was the night? How was the night? How did you sleep? Hope you sleep well. Hope you slept well. Hope you slept well. If this particular trade hit me out, then that will be all for today. Then that will be all for today. That will be all for today. How much am I risking in total? This is my own is good also. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My own is good also. Just that XAUS want to like change my mood, but it can't. It can't because it don't already give me the profit already. So now he's trying to take it back. But let me see how this particular will go. Let me see how this particular will go. I don't know why anytime I come on live video to take like I need to do more work on myself more. What is this? And this is a buy setup that I set yesterday. And immediately the market just come and pick bam and go to the upside. At least even give more than at least 1 to 1 or close to 1 to 2. And some but this particular one, market gave me my strategy here, hit me out immediately. Now another one I've played out, I've entered, it's going down. But I'll not care. Oh. I'll not care. Not at all. I'll not care. I will not care. I will not care. Once he hit SL, then I'll call it a day. Once he hit SL, I'll call it a day and I'll end the live stream. Then we'll come back maybe, I don't know. But why is it like this? Anytime I'm trading, I had not share my trade. It will go well. But if I try to share my screen, like to share my trade, just try and chase price. Just try and chase price to prove a point, bro. I'm just saying, so please manage. You know, sometimes losses can make someone misbehave. It happens though. Ah, shit. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, I'll see you guys maybe I think tomorrow. I'll see you guys 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 tomorrow, man. What is this? I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't try to chase tries to prove a point. No, no, no. Like, just don't try to s- stay on, baby. No, no, no. I'll not stay on. I'll not stay on. I'll not stay on. Nah, nah, nah. Except if you want me to look into any other pair for you. I'll not stay on. Good have. Good morning, boss. Ah, good morning, my bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You can recover with USD card. Omo, and I trade only XAU USD, GP USD, and Euro USD. Omo, I will not stay. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nah, 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 nah. See, Monday trade hit break even. Tuesday trade, I make profit. Wednesday trade, I make profit. Okay, today is Thursday. And this thing is oh, and I've hit my limit for today. Two trade per day, I've hit it. So now, but it's been oh my goodness, oh more life. People who take trade live, they're strong. Oh, but that's exactly what I'm going to do, man. I choose the hardest part, man. I always like to choose the hardest parts. I always like to choose the hardest parts. That's just it. I always choose the hardest parts. But why do you think it is SL? I'm going to do the thorough analysis now because this is a good question. This is a good question. I'll not say the market is like against me, is I'm the one that is doing it wrong. So once you say that the market is against you, the market is against you, no means you are not getting it right. I'm the one that is not getting it right. I'm the one that don't know what the market is saying because before the market like give, you understand, always the chart like the candlestick is is a sign that the market is giving us. But this particular sign that the market is giving us, and if the market is saying I'm going to the downside, then we'll be seeing bearish engulfing candle. You understand? But this one we are seeing bullish engulfing candle more than bearish engulfing candle. I don't know why it choose to like stopping me out. Means there's something I am seeing, there's something that's happening that I'm not seeing, you understand? So this your question is very, very like okay, you understand? You can still re-enter though, wait a bit. There is a news today. That's just manipulating. That is just manipulating. That news, I've reached my you enter you are entering too early. Exactly. But the market is giving my signal. It's giving my entry a candlestick. You understand? Although I love this particular interaction, the market is giving my entry signal. That is the reason why I'm going in for a buy. And what I'm seeing is market is going to buy because yesterday candlestick closed bullish and even engulf, not ordinary bullish. You understand? So what I'll do now, let me check what the market is doing now. Let me check what the market is doing, but not that I'm going to take any other trade. No, 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 no. I'm not going to take any other trade. I've reached my limit for today. I've reached my limit for today. I'm not going to take any other trade. If the market lie, let it jump to anywhere. You understand? I think I've lost about how much? 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 So all the profit I've lost 62.9. I although my limit for the day is $100, but this 62 is okay. I'm not going more than this particular 62. Nah, 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 nah. Even if I see my setup again, I'll not enter. You understand? Even if I see my setup, I will not enter. That's just the thing. So let me see what's happening. Just as the guy said, let me see what's happening. I know today there is a high impact news. There will be a lot of manipulation on the chat, but regardless, it's not supposed to reach this particular level. You understand? It's not supposed to reach this particular level. But this thing is as if it's trying to like chase me away from trading life. But I don't think it can chase me. No, I don't think. Then what will happen now from today henceforth is any particular trade I want to trade, let it be live. I'm not going to like even I'm not going to even I love the hardest parts. You understand? That's just me. I love the hardest parts. Thank you all for the concerns. I really, really appreciate for the concern. But that time, if you guys remember, that time that I choose to take my trade live, to trade, I take a trade like today, e hit SL. Tomorrow again, I come, e hit SL. So I stop coming to live video to take trade, and I have been making profit since then. You understand? Okay, now like this, I've choose to come on live video to like take the same as trade. You understand? I told you this, bro. No problem. I understand. See, first to know that what you said is very, very, very okay. You understand? I understand exactly what you said. Don't just take a trade to prove a point. You understand? I understand what like that thing digest in my head. You understand? I've catch that particular one. You understand? But not to like let me not just go far. I've digest that particular and thank you so much for that particular words. You understand? Don't just take a trade to prove a point. I've digest that particular because I learn from every angle. You understand? That's the reason why I don't have a mentor. If that like I've never entered any particular mentorship class. No, I learn from every angle, from a beginner, from an intermediary, from a pro. I learn from every angle. So I take that advice very, very serious. Just forget that I've not emphasized much on that, but it's in my head already. You understand? Festus is in my head. Just know that yes, it's in my head. You understand? But for me to like stop trading life is not going to happen because I see something now that what I discover now from the past experience and this particular experience is like taking trade life is the hardest thing to do. You understand? It's like taking trade life is the hardest thing to do. So I know how to go about it now. I'll think of how to go about it. I'll re-strategize, not my strategy, but re-strategize how I'll take my trade on live. You understand? So now I'll know exactly how to go about it. So thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. I really appreciate what you said, Festus, and I really appreciate all your concerns. Everybody that is like commenting, I really, really appreciate your comments. You understand? There's no one I take for granted. Me, I'm somebody who appreciates no matter how little or big that particular thing is. You understand? Either advice to give to anything, I take all of them very like I appreciate everything regardless. Like the way I will even appreciate it, you even think maybe this guy don't even watch anything. You understand? The way I appreciate little things or bigger things, you think maybe the person like you think this person not even know, not even that this person cannot even afford anything. You understand? But that's my own part. That's me. You understand? That's BenVFX to you. I appreciate everything. You understand? Your advice, your anything you can give me at all, I will appreciate it. You understand? That's just me. I appreciate everything from the bottom of my heart because it's not easy. So the what you tell me, I've wrapped it, you understand? So let me analyze the chart now to see what I did, what is going on. Let me know what exactly is going on. Why the market don't want to respect that particular support level that I mark on 4 hour time frame? Abi I'm the one that is entering it too early? Abi I'm the one that is going in too early, or the markets want to. Okay, let me check this particular. I'm going to delete all these things here. You did this thing that you say you are entering too early, and it's very very true. You understand? From this particular support level that I mark now, you see this game that we are in is a continuous learning. No, eh, don't just see yourself that you have acquired all the knowledge. Oh. Don't even see. I told you guys that day that if you make profit in this particular, like traders cannot be able to, like person like me now as a trader, I cannot be able to celebrate anything at all. You understand? If I buy anything or if I hit any milestone, you understand, I cannot be able to celebrate it. Why? Because trading have already killed that celebration that are supposed to be. even even on my birthday sef, I no dey I no dey celebrate anything. Since I started trading, I no dey celebrate anything again, because you can make profit today, lose it tomorrow. And I say this particular thing here that day, that even if you make, traders don't celebrate win or loss. You understand? Until that particular win, that particular profit you make, you withdraw it and buy one particular physical property, you understand, or invest it in another side out of your trading account. That is when you can boldly celebrate that particular thing. If not, you don't know what will happen in the next first to the next 1 or 2 trade that you take. You understand? So now win, like trader, any trader who celebrate his win have not know exactly what he's doing yet. And any trader who like beat himself too much because of a loss have not know exactly what he's doing yet. And before you celebrate anything, before you celebrate anything in this particular journey, make sure you make that particular profit that you get, you like pull it out first, invest it in one reasonable this thing asset before you can be able to celebrate that asset, before you can be able to celebrate that win that you have, because before you can be able to celebrate that profit that you get. If not until then, there is no way you can have there is no way you can celebrate. You understand? Because anything can happen. You can A little mistake like this can wipe out all the profit that you have been suffering making. You understand? A little mistake can just wipe all the profit that you have been making. That's the manipulate. Okay, that's the manipulation now because of the news. The manipulation have hit me hard, man. The manipulation have hit me hard. But you took the trade based on your strategy, then you did nothing wrong. So I took it based on my strategy. I swear to God. I swear to God, I took it based on my strategy. But why? I cannot ask that question. I will not ask that question. I will not ask that question. God is now buying after taking you out, child. I swear to God, but he's still selling to the downside. But like, oh my God, there are two major support level on the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour and the daily pri there are two major support levels on the 4 hour and the daily that price should come to. Okay, okay, and the daily that price should come to. Exactly, exactly. I'm still looking at the chart closely to see what's happening. I'm looking at the chart closely to see what's happening. Wallahi, wallahi, and that's exactly. And said like I need to. This one that just happened to me, is it because I don't just know? I'm trying to like think about it, but after the live section, after this live now, I'll go and think about what I'll like break everything down and not even to break the chart down, because when it comes to analysis, I know what I'm doing, you understand? But there is something behind this particular laws. Understand? I need to like rethink again. I need to rethink again. Then, if what I'm doing that is making me profitable, if I'm not on a live stream, what exactly am I doing that is making me profitable if I'm not on a live stream? Okay, that thing that I'm doing that is making me profitable when I'm not on a live stream, can't I replicate that particular thing while I'm on a live stream? Okay, is it because I'm on a live that is making me to rush the trade? And it's not because I rush, and it's not that I rush the trade. It's my strategy that played out. Then what should be the issue? I'm going to think very, very like I'm going to think about this thing very, very well, because if I cannot take my trade live and make profit, then there is nothing I will say. There is nothing else I will like make this thing no turn me to a full-time streamer. Oh. You understand? Make this thing no just turn me to a full-time streamer, because I cannot just come on my live anytime I see setup. You understand? Because why I will make okay, on Monday is break even, Tuesday profit, Wednesday profit, then Thursday that I come on live video is SL. Why? Okay, that means I need to be always on live video, so that if I lose my account, I'll lose it on live. Does that mean I don't have to be doing any other thing? Let me be a full-time streamer, so that I'll know if, like, oh my god, like I'm going to think so much about this particular thing that's happening. So please, if there's, am I even going to even say if there's any pay that you want, let me analyze it for you. Mm. But if you are seeing it, if there's anything, like if there's any pair you want me to check, just let me know. Let me know. If there's any pair at all you want me to check, look at 4318 support area. If that doesn't work, the other support should be around 4302, 4318 and 4302. Let me see 4318 and 4302, 4318, 4318. Okay. 4318. 4318 should be around this particular fair value gap. Okay, then 4330, 4302, 4302. 4302 is around this area. Around this area. And what I'm saying is, if the market can be able to, like, if the market go below this particular support level, then the market will still go down to this particular area. You understand? If the market come below this particular, anything that will make the market come below this particular bullish engulfing candle, means the market will still go down to this particular support level. That's exactly what I'm saying. But let me see what's happening. I'll do analysis, put buy limit. It will come and pick buy limit and give at least 1 to 2, sometimes even 1 to 5. Okay, if I'm not on a live video, I'll take trade and it will give me profit, hit SL, like hit take profit. Then I'll come to live video, then it will be doing like this. I'll choose the hard part. Means I'll be taking all my trade on a live stream. I'll be taking all my trade on live. That's what will happen. And the market refuse to tap on this particular fair value gap before it's going to the downside. Here's the game. This is a cup. This is just like a curve, but refuse to something like this, then break to the downside. This one is still going to the downside now. There is a head and shoulder here. Let me delete all these things here. There is a head and shoulder, and the market is taking an aggressive move to the downside. So what exactly are we expecting? There is a support level here. Not even 1 to 1. So, um, because the way the like the reason why I'm saying that is as if I cannot trade live. You understand? It's as if I cannot come on live video and take a trade and make profits. That I will think very deeply about this particular thing that is happening. Because this is the third time. That time, you understand? That time I took a trade live, I hit SL. The second day I took a trade live, I hit SL. The third day I refused to take a trade live. I make profit. I stopped taking trade live. Okay, now like this, I come on live video. I say that okay. Had it been that Tuesday I come on live video and I take and that particular Tuesday trade end very very well. But now like this, today is Thursday. I come on live video to take a trade. I end in SL. Why? I'm going to think about this particular thing that is happening. But I don't know. I cannot I can't tell it. I can't tell it. I can't tell because I cannot be proving that my strategy is working. Then when I take that particular strategy live, then it will end in SL. Bro, like just think about it, brother. Think about it. Maybe you can. Only 3 times. That doesn't matter. Just keep doing it. Keep doing what you have been doing. So my brother, I want to like since taking trade life now is my hardest is the hardest part for me. Then I have to choose the hardest part. Then I'll master it. How do you see it, UD? Since taking trade life is the hardest part for me, then I have to choose the hardest part. Let me see if that will be the one that will send me back. That will make me quit trading. Let me just see. Abi, how do you see it? Because me, I don't like it. Me, I like challenge. Like uh, if something is trying to be very, very hard for me, that is when I go fully in. So let me see if it's hard to the point that it will pull me down totally. You understand? That's how, like, that's how they always do my own thing. But I don't know. But let me see your thought again. Let me see what you think about that. If coming to live video to take a trade is, it seems okay. If you like challenge, keep coming live. It will give you confidence. I like challenge. I like challenge. Let nothing feel as if I cannot do it. I don't want anything to feel as if I cannot do it. Like this, I can. Oh my goodness, this thing, like the way it's proving now, like the way it's, like the way I'm seeing it, it's like I see it as if it's proving to me that I cannot do it live. Means I need to gather more confidence and more need to study more. Means this thing now is challenging me to study more. You understand? To study more. Bro, this is a big challenge. Oh. This is a big knock on my this is a big knock on my chest, man. A big knock on my chest, man, bro. Like, okay. Yes, you can't do it now, Benv. Eh, so guys, I don't know how it's going to be, but You can do it, bro. Thank you so much, Judy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. With you alone, I'm okay, safe. With you alone, I'm okay. With you alone, I'm okay. Let me see how New Year section will be. But I want to go somewhere. That's my problem now. I want to go fire service office. I want to go fire service office. I want to go refill my fire extinguisher. So I don't know how it will be. I don't know if I can be able to go come before New Year section because now like this. Ah, see, too clean. Ah, God. See my main favorites, my favorite that set me up, man. My two main favorite that set me up. Oh boy. My two main favorite that set me up. I no dey take any trade now. It's rather like it I must end this particular week in profit. That's just it. I'll try. Oh, I'll try all my possible best to end this particular week in profit. So I'll be very, very careful. I will be very, very, very careful. If I get any setup, I must come on live video. If I get any clean setup, I must come on live video. Be checking it on your phone. You don't have to come live during New York. You can come later at night. So alright now. Then we'll see later in the evening. That's how we'll see later in the evening. So omo I'll do it too. Me, I know they like make something they challenge me like this. So I'll see you guys in the evening during around 8 p.m. That's how I'll see you guys around 8 p.m. So bye for now. And I don't even think I'm not even going to take any trade today again, safe. That tutu setup per day, I'll be taking it live with you guys. That tutu setup per day, I'll be taking it live with you guys. But next week will be so choked for me. You understand? Next week will be so choked for me, but I don't know how it's going to be. But you see that I'll be taking it live. But anytime you guys not see me live means I don't know, but let me see. All right, UD, till later in the evening, anything 8 p.m. I'll be live. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying to this end. And I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the comments, all the words of encouragement and the rest. And this is what I love about you guys. You understand? This is what I love about you guys. And this is the reason why I say this is just like a family. You understand? And this is just like a friends and family, you understand? Gathering together. You understand? So I thank you all for your words of encouragement and every other things. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I see you guys later in the evening by 8 p.m. You understand? 8 p.m. sharp. 8 p.m. sharp. So thank you guys. See you later. Bye for now.